Hello YouTube creator, in this video I will be showing you how to add and arrange videos in your YouTube playlist. And if you haven't created the playlist, you need to go to the library and press on the new playlist. Press on next and write down the name of your playlist. This is the short example of how to create a new playlist. If you want to go to the full video, there is an I button displayed on the screen right now, and also I'll give you the link at the last end of the video. Press on create. Now click on privacy, public, and click on the create. Your playlist has been created. Your playlist is empty right now. There are many ways to add your videos in the playlist. The first one is go to the library and go to your videos. These are my videos. I want to add the second video in the playlist. For that, click on three dots at the right hand side and click on save to playlist. And there are many playlists displayed on my screen. For now, I want to insert this video in the YouTube playlist. So I'll select the YouTube playlist and press OK. And the second way to add in the playlist is you can press on the video and you will see the save button on the right hand side of your screen. Click on the save button and see where you want to insert the playlist. Select the particular playlist and press on done. In this way you can add your videos in the playlist. Let's check the video in the playlist. Now again, let's go to the library. Now let's check on the recently created playlist, that is YouTube playlist at the top. This is the playlist that I have added. This is how you can add the videos in the playlist. Now we will see how to arrange the video in the YouTube playlist. Click on the playlist that have many videos. At the left hand side of your screen you can see two lines. Press on that two lines and you can drag your videos. You can drag your last videos to the uppermost part of your videos, and you can drag the uppermost part of your videos in the lowermost part. This is how you can arrange the videos in the playlist in sequence. And if you want to delete the unwanted videos from the playlist, click on the right hand side of that three dotted and click on remove from the playlist and your video will be removed. This is how you can add, remove and arrange the videos in the YouTube playlist in mobile. Now let's go to the desktop view. And this is the desktop view. I'm already in the YouTube playlist. I'll just show you how to add the videos in the YouTube playlist in desktop mode. You can click on the I button how to create a YouTube playlist in desktop mode. Click on the three dotted. Now click on add videos. To add your videos, click on your YouTube videos. From here you can select and add the videos and your videos will be added on the YouTube playlist. For how to create a playlist, click on this video.